Welcome to Liberty Park Music's second rhythm guitar course. My name is Z and I'll be your instructor. Building on what we learned in Rhythm Guitar 1, we will now dive into major and minor bar chords, seventh chords, intermediate fingerstyle techniques, and how to use a capo to transpose and play songs in every key. By the end of the course, you will be able to play 99% of pop songs out there with bar chords. You'll also learn how to use a capo to make songs easier to play, and you'll be able to play most jazz standards strumming with a pick or plucking with your fingers. So to build up your guitar playing skills with new songs and intermediate guitar playing techniques, join us and let's begin.